What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I know it's been a minute since I made a video, but your boy has been super busy. I'm actually about to more than likely buy another house in another state. So might be moving or might rent it out. I don't know. Still debating. If you guys have not checked out seller financing, oh my God, your boy was sleeping. Check out seller financing. You can literally get deals for $2, $3, $4, $5, $10,000 down, and just get those properties, rent them out on pay monthly for them without any credit check, like literally none of that. Is beautiful. But anyway, obviously you guys know I'm not a real estate guru or anything like that, so I tend not to talk too much about the stuff I do in the real estate space. But anyway, let's jump to the topic at hand here, and that is how you can make money with Craigslist in 2023. Now, this is super simple, guys. You're going to go over to the service section. Now, this is actually the first video I made publicly talking about the service section. I slept so hard on this section or whatever. Go over here and just going to go to the computer section, and then you want to go down to the last page, right? So we're at page 664, right? Now, what you want to do is you want to look for something that you can copy and paste, right? So you see right here, just take this one right here, for example, and then you are going to paste it. And then you just want to do that repeatedly, and you just want to see something that's working for other people. So you see right here, this guy posted it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So on the low end, this guy spent $180 promoting this. Do you really think it's not making any money? And that's every month that he would be doing this. So this shows you right here that whatever this guy right here is promoting is clearly working for him. So what you want to do is come up here, and you're going to just go through their entire thing here, right? So you see they just got some generic pages here. All right, so we could literally just screenshot all of these right here. So we could literally just go like this, and then we would screenshot it. I don't know. Oh, there it go. All right, so then, boom. So now we got that one, and then we can go through and copy the rest of them. Then we would literally just go just like this. Take it, paste it over into ChatGPT. All right, and then we would let this do its thing here. All right, so now it's going to go through and literally reword that entire thing or whatnot, and then we would just copy and paste all of this. Now, obviously, you would change out their phone number with your phone number, and everything along those lines. But you guys get the point here, all right? So, and then you would also have to go like line by line, the way that they did it, where it's like real nice and neat, like how it is here, because ChatGPT is going to spit it out like how it is right here. So you're going to need to go through and just copy and paste, every single one into your new lines, right? But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Like, you don't have to do it with just the website building or anything along those lines. Now, I will say this converts 1,000,000 times better if you are not scared to jump on the phone. If you can jump on the phone for customer support to complain, if you can jump on the phone, to a sales team so they can sell you so you can spend money, you should have no problem jumping on the phone so you can make money, right? But yeah, then you would just keep going, and then this is it. We'd go back here, and then you would just look around. So we see right here, this guy, website services without the bullshit, right? So, all right. So we just see this looks very, very normal. So let's see if he posting a lot. Yep. So he's posting quite a bit too. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so you see, all right, so you see this guy is posting quite a bit too. All right, so we could literally just take exactly what he's doing, reword the title, reword, everything. Because again, you're not going to be spending $10 per post if it's not working. It just doesn't make any sense to do that. Right now, I don't know why he posted so many times in Queens. They must get a lot of traffic in Queens for him to have to like do that so many times. But you see, this one looks a lot more professional here. But you guys get the point. This is really simple. You're just going to go, again, you want to go to the last page and you want to take something that people have been doing for a long time and they have multiple different ads. It's very important because you don't want to go with something that just has one ad up because it might not be working for them. But if the guy has 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 ads up, more than likely it's working. Now, you don't have to go directly to his where he's competing with you at. So what you would do instead is, let's say we took that same guy or whatever, we did this, literally this whole thing right here. We could take this, well, not take it, well, we would model what he's doing and then go to a different state and post it there. And that's it. That's literally the entire process, you know. Don't sleep on this this service section, guys. Like, it is nuts to me how hard I was sleeping on this. Like, there are so many ways you can make money in this service section. You know, right now I'm playing around with this legal offer at the moment. Also, another huge thing is if your network allows it, you can run these type of offers. You can run PPC offers, pay per call offers on here. Mind blowing. Like, that's all I gotta say about it. Absolutely mind blowing. Like, man, if you made this far, I'll just give you a little tidbit on it. One of them that works really well. It's the pest control, you know, because you can post that over here. And then, again, it just depends on the network. Some with the pay-per-call network, some of them let you promote offline. They let you hand out business cards. They let you hand out flyers. They let you go door to door. I mean, there's some pay-per-call offers that's like absolutely amazing, you know. And then they have a call, like a sales team that's literally designed to sell them and make as much money as possible. Like, that's literally their entire job. The only thing you need to do is just put the phone number in front of that person that needs that service, and that's it. That's the only thing you have to do. You don't have to worry about an email follow-up series. You don't have to worry about building out a bunch of landing pages, you know, or entire websites. You don't have to worry about a lot of stuff. You can literally just put a phone number up, done. All right. But again, it depends on your network. So don't just go and start running, sending traffic or something like that from Craigslist to the network. Because again, it depends on the network that you're using. But that is pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Also, speaking of all your landing pages and all that stuff or whatnot, check out affiliate helpers. They will actually build out your entire funnel, build out your entire email series, like literally everything for you. The only thing you have to do is just send traffic, and that's it. So if you've been looking for something where you literally all you have to do is just send traffic and looking for some type of done for you system or whatnot without having to pay thousands of dollars, be sure to check them out. But again, that's all. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff.